Raindrops sliding down the window glass, watching neighborhoods quietly pass. Heater humming, candle softly glowing, city sleeping while the rain keeps flowing. Rainy window, holding all my dreams, memories drifting like the city streams. Rainy window, blurring every face of the ones I lost without a trace. Cup of coffee turning slowly cold, older photographs are turning gold. Wind is whispering through empty rooms of the people that I miss in tunes. Rainy window, holding all my dreams, memories drifting like the city streams. Rainy window, blurring every face of the ones I lost without a trace. The rain remembers more than I ever could, falling on the dreams I never understood. Just